So today I'm going to show you how to remove an instrument cluster from a 2007 Chevy Equinox. This is the same 05 to 09, and Pontiac Torrent is also the same. The clusters are a little bit different, but the process to R&I them is exactly the same. It's one of those jobs that's so simple, it can't possibly be the right way that you're doing it. But yeah, it is pretty easy. We're taking ours out because ours is lying to us. Our tachometer is stuck at like 6 grand and our speedometer reads anything but the correct speed. So we're gonna have to take it out, send it out, have it repaired, and then throw it back in. So let's get into it.
Now it decided to work. Too bad, we're fixing it anyway.
Tilt the steering column down to give us a little more room, and then pull the bezel off around the cluster. And we'll just pull the 4 7mm bolts out of the cluster. Try not to drop them down inside the dash. Playing a dangerous game leaving them in there.
It didn't drop it.
Now we can just unplug our cluster.
It does not get much easier than that. And we can still drive it, so we'll go park it.
We're going to send it to our friends at Upfix. Pretty much any electrical components I need repaired for a car, I send it to them. And they also have appliances, fitness, and industrial stuff, but we're only interested in cars. So we're going to send our cluster to them and have it repaired. We'll see what else is available when we select our vehicle here. Cluster repair, ABS module repair, and a mileage correction. We're just interested in our cluster repair. What issues are we having? Tachometer and speedometer. That's it. In addition to our cluster, I also have an ABS module that I'm sending them for a different truck. So we'll throw that all in one box, ship it all together. A little extra padding so that FedEx hopefully won't destroy it. I've got the supervisor making sure that I'm doing it right.
Our cluster is back from Upfix, so let's open it up. See what it looks like. They package it way better than I do.
Let's get the cluster back in the Equinox. It's been about a week. I sent it in on Monday, had it back by Friday. It only took them a couple hours to repair it. It's just the shipping time to get it to Georgia and back that takes so long. We'll start by plugging our cluster in. Can't remember how I took it apart. It's been 5 days. Stuff it in there. The hard part, getting all the screws in there without dropping them down into Narnia. I cheated. I have a magnetic socket on the end of that.
All right, let's reconnect the battery and take it for a ride. So we took our little Equinox here for a ride, and it turns out it's telling the truth now. I verified the speedometer with my phone GPS, and our tachometer's not reading 8,000 RPMs all the time. So it's no longer lying to us. Upfix made it truthful once again. So if your car's lying to you and you want to get it straightened out, send your cluster over to Upfix, or HVAC control, radio, BCM, any kind of module. Check them out. They do all kinds of different things. So see if they have a service that'll work for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.